dash cameras, besides recording incredible activity of crazy Russian drivers, they actually serve an important purpose for most drivers on the road today. So in this video, we will be discussing dash cameras and how to install them. My name is Ethan and welcome to Car Creations. Traveling through a city like this, you can never be sure that other drivers aren't going to bump into you. So, I got a dash cam. Of course, I didn't take a knife with me. Don't litter, kids. This is only 70 bucks on Amazon. You get your dash cam, nice big long cable, and then some sticky stuff and mounts to put up the window. So let's set up. It's a little bit nerve-wracking as you have to put stickers on your window, but I think it'll be okay. So in order to line it up properly, I'm going to turn on and connect the camera. Nice thing is on this car, I already have some USB slots I can plug it into, or I can plug it right into the cigarette holder. So USB slot. It has to be able to power it when the car is off. 2020. Okay, 23rd. Man, it takes forever. Okay, perfect. So, you can see in the display here where you need to put it on your window. So, when I go up here, I can see exactly where to put it. Okay, so what I need first of all is the mount. So let's peel off this. There you go. So now, wherever we stick this, it's gonna stay. Okay, so I just wanna make sure it's all straight. So I'm just gonna stick it lightly there, so we can always change it. And I'm gonna go out there to make sure it's straight. Yep, that's pretty straight. And then you just push it on to seal it up. Okay, so you have the camera installed. Now let's run this wire. Alright, so let's run the wire. This is one of the hardest parts. Let's try to make it look good, but what I did before in my last car is you can run it through the trim, and then it kind of makes it look like it was meant to be there. There we go. And then actually push it right into the trim up here. The only part where you start having troubles is where it's glued over here. There we go. And then I'm just going to lay it down in the corner here. There we go. And then push the trim a little bit more. You can actually wrap it around the front of the foot well, up underneath the dash. There can be open plastic area you can wrap it behind. That way you don't have your passenger sitting on it. Make sure I'm getting it in the right place. Just wrap it straight down here. And then you've got right to the USB. So then all you have to do here is tie it up and make it look nice. There we are. So what I did this cable in the end is connect it into here, ran it around the rain sensor, along the top of the car, down the A-pillar, up to the dash, and then along the edge of the dash, following the trim. And if you push it behind the vent here, it'll stay. You wrap it down along the side by the door, underneath the footwell, and then tie it into place here. So that's my dash camera in place. I did forget, however, to buy a SIM card for it. Not SIM card, SD card. So let's go buy a SD card from Best Buy. Okay, we got an SD card. Now we can actually capture problems now. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, SD card. Oh, it's recording. Nice. We did get the dash cam working well. I'm going to show some footage here of what it looks like in the daytime. At nighttime too, it has a camera, a low light camera in it as well, so it actually looks pretty good at night, as you can see here. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please hit the thumbs up, and if you really liked it, please subscribe for plenty more content.